Hi, this is Pam, Pam's Paper Place, and I thought I'd just share with you what I did. It's about a week or so ago. We just got back from um, taking our RV out for the first time. So we were gone Monday through Friday. We went up north a little ways, about an hour and a half north of Grand Rapids area, and a beautiful state park, Mitchell State Park. It's surrounded by Lake Mitchell and Lake Cadillac, and then there's a canal that you can put boats up to, while you're camping. Tie your boats up to the canal there. So we had a good time. It was very successful. So I just thought I'd show you what I did before we left and then what I did while we were camping. I did a little bit of crafting because that's what I do. Anyway, so I thought I'd organize my digitals because, I don't know, it was hard to know what I had. I put in a binder. Well, first I went to my Etsy, purchases, printed up like 2 copies of whatever I bought. And then they're all, I just want to say autobiography. They're alphabetically in order. So, and then I have a copy in here of what I've gotten, and then it shows a little picture of it because I just can't always remember what I bought. I have so many. And then this doesn't also include, like, if I was a design team member and got, digitals that I didn't actually purchase, but I made projects with. Those aren't in here yet. I'll have to maybe do a different binder of that. Then I just took this, whatever will fit a file folder in here. And then there's the other copy of, what's in here. So, and I still need to put in here, whatever leftover digitals that I might not have used in here. So it's just a little cloth. I don't know where I got this. Maybe TJ Maxx, Tuesday morning, I'm not sure. But whatever will fit a file folder. And then I also got in here, I put a file folder with a name, and then then I have this copy of the Etsy purchases, and then I have these clear little clasp envelopes. I found some at the Dollar Tree, but I couldn't find a lot of the clear. They had some that were colored also. They're like little snap envelopes. And then I can also show in here what I have, bought. And then also bought some of these clear little binders, envelopes. Let's see, where did I buy these? These were, I can't think. But they measure about 9 or so, in 12 here, which will hold the papers. So whatever you can find, and you could get the color ones too, but I like the clear envelopes. And then you can put whatever leftover digitals you have from that. So that's how I've been organizing that. I hope I can keep up that system. So I have 2 of these, actually. That's how many digitals I have. So also I thought I would share, I could just show you 2, all about alphabetically, just all the different ones. Then I also organized some of my stickers. So let me stop the video and get that and show you how I've organized some of my stickers. Okay, I have these big binders, and I know it's hard to see. I don't have a lot of space, but they're these huge, I guess I got them well, I guess you can buy them at Big Lots, but I got them at a thrift store. But they're 3-inch view binders, large binders. And I store them on the desk in my craft room, open like this. And then I have another one that's stored open like this. I know it's hard to see, but they're both open like that on the desk, one inside the other. And then I also have another one that I need to complete. So let me just show you. So you open this up, and I'll put that one aside for now. And I have it in themes because that's kind of how I work. Like if I do a cooking type journal, you know, that's all going to be in here. And then these binders are also from the Dollar Tree. So, and they also have this snap, which I like. So I know that anything food or cooking related will be in these journals. Aren't they fun? So, and they fit in these little Avery L envelopes, and they go side by side in there. Sorry about the glare. So these are like these Avery L envelopes, which measures 5.5 by about 7.5. I would say, and you can get cheaper, you know, Avery L like little sleeves like this. Isn't that cute? So now I know what I have. You know, I know where to look. This seems to be the best way for me right now. And then they just snap. Here's another cooking one, baking, cupcakes, so it might be birthday, coffee, you know, spoons. This one is like animals, farmhouse. So that's animal farmhouse. I need to do some baby books because I could probably fill one of these binders with just baby stuff, because when I was started out making mini albums, I did a lot, you know, I did some baby books, so I have a lot of baby type stickers that I haven't really used. I might just turn this slide off, see if is that better without the glare. I hope you can see. And then this is different type, you know, miscellaneous, those graduation and little toys, and there's a ballerina, Walt or Disney or book characters here. This one has like garden, ladybugs, flowers. So this makes it fun, and I know there's more than one in a sleeve. It'd probably be easier to see if it was just one sticker per sleeve, but that's fine. But isn't this fun? I think it's fun to go through. And there's mushrooms, gardening, and more kind of woodland camping. And then I want to do a journal of our camping RV trips too. So I got some like camping tree stickers. A lot of these I got at Tuesday morning. For a while after I retired one time. You know how you pick up another little job here and there. I was going into Tuesday morning so much getting craft supplies that I decided to work there part-time, and then I could also get a discount on my craft supplies. So I did that for a short time, maybe about a year or so. Okay, here's another one. This one, and here's like the little envelopes that you can get at the Dollar Tree. This has like some words and things. you know, word stickers, miscellaneous word stickers. Oh, this is fall, I think. Yeah, this is kind of more fall colors. Like, you know, turkey, seasonal, fall leaves. More of the fall colors. And if they're too big, then I just put them in here like that. But there's some turkey stickers. So I have that. And then this is like birthday, Easter celebrations, bunnies. This is travel. You got trains and summer. There's airplanes. So I can use these. I want to do an airline journal because I was a flight attendant with American Airlines for 14 years. So I want to do that at some point. I've been collecting a few things here and there. This is travel, Florida. You know, we've traveled a bit, so, you know, different stickers here, like Florida, and, oh, we went to Seattle, or I lived in Seattle, too, or not Seattle, Washington State for a while, too, so, Michigan stickers, so, that's that one, and then I have yet to do the binder for baby and wedding types. So I'd like to do some baby journals using little golden books. And so we were gone Monday through Friday, and I was able to work on a few journals that I'll show you here. I had a while ago done some little golden books. I had just covered the fabric on the spines here, and then I just took with me on the trip, on the RV trip, some papers, and you know, of course, you know, the book pages too. So I was able to get 4 of these with the pages in, so not embellished, of course, you know, but so I was able to do that. So I did that one, and I just have to embellish. Prayers for Children needs to be embellished, but they turned out really cute. So, so I got that done even while camping. Did this one. Pretty. I used some of my, is that Maggie Holmes paper, I think. So, and then I got these papers in, so I was happy to do that. And then I also, I don't think I have that here, but I also was able to work on a sewing journal, just getting the pages in, because I'm going to be taking that to Washington State, where I see my friend Donna and Stephanie. And we're going to work on, Donna and I are going to work on a sewing journal. So this is what I meant by I have the, oops, it's upside down. Sorry. The, you know, this needs to be cut. The fabric. This is the fabric that I have onto the little goldens. And I have that one. It's not cut off yet. And then I have those done so I can work on these, you know, putting the pages in. So, yeah, I'm kind of in the mood for little golden books. And then I'm going to finish the sewing journal when I leave in a week. So hopefully I can work on these. I think I'm going to, next video, I'm going to work on a BB craft tutorial using the fun beads that I got. So that will be my next video, you know, using the colors here and making fun tassels using the beads from BB craft. So watch for that video. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Bye-bye.